After 20 years of continuous improvements, 3MSB introduces the first portable automatic mixing unit, the Pentamix Lite Automatic Mixing Unit. It's light in weight, but not light on power. It works well with all 3MSB Penta impression materials, VPS, polyether, and alginate replacement, and high viscosity putty to medium-bodied materials, bringing the precision of auto mixing to any impression technique. Tedious hand pumping with a gun dispenser and time-consuming and messy hand mixing are still very common procedures in dental practices. But dentists who want a more efficient workflow, higher productivity, and better mixing quality compared to hand mixing can have it all with the Pentamix Lite unit. Automated mixing and dispensing add convenience, speed, and precision, giving you full control of the impression procedure. Hygienic direct filling of the tray eliminates risk of cross-contamination, and being able to dispense pre-mixed material in the exact amount needed saves time and reduces costly waste. Better yet, the Pentamix Lite delivers homogeneous, void-free mixing results for precise impressions and reduced costly retakes. All of this at the push of a button. With its lightweight, integrated hand grip and portable design, the Pentamix Lite unit is easy to share between operatories. When not in use, it saves valuable space by simply swiveling to its upright standby position. The Pentamix system gives you greater control of the impression procedure with a portable unit that delivers homogeneous, void-free mixing results. It's a vital step forward for creating more accurate impressions and great fitting restorations. The Pentamix Lite Automatic Mixing Unit from 3MSB.